Numbers between two square numbers. There are 2n non-perfect square numbers between the squares of the numbers n and n plus 1. How many non-perfect numbers are there in between 16 square and 17 square? Here n equals 16, n plus 1 is 17. So we know that 2n non-perfect square numbers are there. So we can multiply this 2n. 2 into 16 equals to 32. We know that 17 square equals to 289. 16 square is 256. In between these two square numbers, we have 32 non-perfect square numbers. Sum of consecutive natural numbers. N square minus 1 by 2, n square plus 1 by 2. Using this two formula, we can find two consecutive positive integers for square of any odd number. Here 15 square is 225. This 225 can be written in the form of consecutive positive integers. Now let's see. Here n equals to 15. Apply this number to this formula. 15 square minus 1 by 2. 15 square plus 1 by 2. 225 minus 1 by 2. 225 plus 1 by 2. We will get 224 by 2. 226 divided by 2. The answer is 112 and 113. So this 225 can be written in the form of sum of 112 plus 113. A minus 1 into a plus 1 equals to a square minus 1. Using this formula, we can find product of two consecutive even or odd natural numbers. 13 and 15. This is odd number. This 13 can be written in the form of 14 minus 1. 15 we can write 14 plus 1. Now it's in the form of a minus 1 into a plus 1. So a square minus 1, 14 square minus 1. 44 and 46 are even number. This 44 can be written in the form of 45 minus 1 and 46 we can write 45 plus 1. Now 45 square minus 1. To find the square of the number, we can use this formula a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Find the square of the following number without actual multiplication. The first number 35. 35 square we should find now. So 35 we will write it as 30 plus 5 whole square. Now a square, 30 square plus 5 square plus 2 into 30 into 5. 900 plus 25 plus 300 equals to, we'll get the answer 1225. The next example is 23 square. We'll write this number 20 plus 3 whole square. 20 square plus 3 square plus 2 into 20 into 3. We'll get 400 plus 9 plus 120 equals to 529. We can find square numbers using this formula a plus b whole square. The general form of Pythagorean triplet is 2m, m square plus 1 and m square minus 1. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose one number is 16. Now let's take 2m equals to 16. So m equal to 16 by 2 will get the value of m 8. Now m square plus 1, m square 64 plus 1 65. M square minus 1. 64 minus 1 63. Now 16, 65 and 63.